Hey there, tech fans. Today I've got the brand new Lokithor J1350 Pro Jump Starter Kit. This single product is really three products in one. It's a high-performance jump starter kit that will help you get your car started on those cold winter mornings when maybe your battery level is dropped just enough where the car won't start. You can simply connect this to your battery and start your car right up. It eliminates the need to carry jumper cables with you and then find somebody that will give you that jump. But it's also a powerful battery bank that you can use to charge and operate your thirsty portable devices when you're on the road by simply connecting them to the unit, and it acts like a gigantic battery to recharge those products. And it's a 3-position flashlight, which comes in really handy if you break down on the side of the road or you have to change a tire. Now, as part of this review, I'd like to start with a quick unboxing just to show you everything that's included with the kit, and then I'll talk a little bit more about the specifications so you can compare it to other products you may be considering. And then I'll take a closer look at the unit and I'll point out the connections and indicators so you understand how to use it. And I'll come back one more time and explain why a product like this might be something you should consider for your car. But let's get started with the unboxing first. So when you first pop open the box, you'll find the J1350. Also included is a really nice carry bag where you can store everything inside of it. And I like a carry bag like this because it keeps everything organized and it protects your products. You'll also find the jumper cables. These are heavy-duty jumper cables. You'll clamp these onto your battery. This plugs into the side of the unit to allow you to jumpstart your car. You'll also find 2 more cables included, a USB-A to USB-C you can use to charge the unit, and a USB-C to USB-C you can use to charge the unit. Now, this is charged with a standard wall charger. Typically, a PD 30-watt charger will charge it in about 50 minutes. You can use either one of these cables connected to the bidirectional USB-C port on the side to charge the unit up. These also come in handy because you can use these to charge external devices from the unit once you've charged it. And then finally, a full instruction manual is also included that lists connections and indicators and really good information about how to use this unit, because there are a lot of special features built into the J1350 Pro, and you'll want to read through this to understand exactly how to use it. All right, so let's talk about the specifications, because to be honest, there are a lot of companies that make jump starter kits. So what makes this one special? Well, for starters, it's the 1350, which means it has a peak current of 1350 amps. It'll deliver 700 amps steady state, which is a lot of power. That'll start a car up to 6.5 liters, and it'll jumpstart a diesel car up to 3.5 liters, which is a lot of the market out there. If you have a bigger truck, maybe it's not going to work for you, but it really covers a large percentage of the market. In addition to that, it's using a newer battery technology inside. It's lithium iron phosphate. Now, the reason that's important is because a lot of these kits on the market use lithium polymer technology, which isn't real good in cold weather or warm weather. It doesn't hold on to the charge very long. Because this is using lithium iron phosphate, you can charge this. It'll hold that charge for up to 24 months. Now, think about that. You've charged it on a Monday, you put it in your trunk. 2 months later, you're at the shopping mall and you've left your headlights on. You come out to your car and it won't start. It's in your trunk. This will hold the charge for up to 24 months, which is pretty incredible. In addition to that, the flashlight is incredibly powerful. It's a 200 lumen flashlight, and it's a 3-position. So it's either solid on, flashing, which is great if you break down on the side of the road to let cars know you're over there. It also has an SOS setting, so you can put it in SOS, and if somebody driving up on you understands Morse code, they'll know exactly what's going on. And then as far as the battery bank goes, there are 2 connections on the side, a USB-A and a USB-C, which are the most common USB connections on the market. The USB-C will provide 30 watts of PD external charging, which is incredibly powerful, and the USB-A will provide up to 18 watts to charge your external devices, and you can use both of those ports at the same time. So all in all, you've got an incredibly powerful battery system here that jumpstarts your car, charges external devices, and acts as a flashlight. So it's really a great product to keep with you in your car for those long road trips, because eventually the battery in your car is going to wear down. It just happens. They get old. And if it gets down to the point where it can't start your car, now you've got to find your jumper cables, you've got to flag down another car to give you that jump. This takes all of that out of the equation for you. Now, if you stay tuned next, I'll take a closer look at the unit, and then I'll come back and point out a few reasons that you might want to have one of these in your trunk. The J1350 Pro features a high-impact plastic case which makes it lightweight and incredibly durable. It's also designed to be small enough to comfortably fit into your hand, which means bringing it along on your next camping trip or out to the driveway to jumpstart your car is incredibly easy. Now, one of the reasons this unit can be so thin, so lightweight, and still so powerful is because of the lithium iron phosphate battery technology inside, which is the latest battery chemistry on the market. It has a higher energy density than the older lithium polymer technology, which essentially means the battery packs a bigger punch and it can be smaller, which allows you to build a thinner and more lightweight unit. A lot of the products on the market that use that lithium polymer technology tend to be bulkier and a lot heavier. Now, on the one end, you'll find the flashlight, which provides 200 lumens of light, and it has 3 different settings, either solid on, flashing, or SOS, and I'll show you how you can step through those in a minute. In the center is a rubber door you can open up, and underneath it are the connection ports for the jumper clamps. And this is polarized, so you can't actually plug that in backwards, but you'll simply plug in that connection and then connect it to your battery to jumpstart your car. When you're not using that jump starter function, make sure you close that door to maintain the IP65 rating. Now, one thing I do want to point out is Lokithor has located the light and the connection for the jumper clamps on the same end of the unit. And that wasn't a mistake, that was well thought out. And the reason that's important is because if you're trying to jumpstart your car at night, you can turn on the flashlight and it'll illuminate the battery to make sure you clamp the red clamp on positive and the black clamp on negative. So they've located the flashlight right where you need it to jumpstart your car at night. On your other end of the unit, you'll find another door, and underneath that are 2 USB connections, a USB-C and a USB-A. Both of these can be used to charge external devices like a phone or a tablet, and you can use both of them at the same time. The USB-C port provides 30 watts of PD external charging power, and the USB-A provides 18 watts of external charging power. The USB-C is bidirectional, which means you can use it to charge external devices, but you'll also use it to charge the internal batteries by connecting this to a 30 watt or higher PD charger. And if you use a charger that's that powerful, you can charge the internal batteries in about 50 minutes. Close that up as well to maintain the IP65 rating. Now again, because of the lithium iron phosphate battery inside there, once you fully charge the unit, it'll maintain that charge for up to 24 months. And it's powerful enough to deliver up to 700 amps of charging or starting power for your car, and it can actually boost that up to 1350 amps, which is pretty incredible for a small unit like this. Now on the top of the unit, you can turn it on by tapping this button. It'll take a second and then it'll settle in. And you'll find 4 indicators right here that let you know the current state of the battery. So the charge inside the unit is at 75% right now. Each of these bars represents 25% charge, and 3 of them are lit, so about 75% of the power is in that internal battery. To the right of that, you'll find a digital display. When you connect this up to your car battery, it'll let you know what the current voltage of that battery is. So you can sort of look at it and say, okay, it's 11.6 volts. I'm definitely going to have to charge that or jumpstart that battery. Over here, you've got the button to turn on the flashlight. If you hold that down, the first setting is solid. If you tap it again, it flashes. Tap it again, it goes into SOS mode. Tap it again to turn it off. Now, as I mentioned, this unit will provide 700 amps of starting power, which is plenty to start most cars that are 6.5 liters if they're gas or 3.5 liters if they're diesel. But every now and then, your battery may have dropped below that level and you have to boost it. And you can do that by holding down here. That'll force start your car, which means you'll get the full 1350 amps of charging power out to your battery. And then finally down here are a grouping of different indicators, and those are fully explained in the manual, but those will tell you if it's too cold to use it, if it's too hot to use it, if the battery's got issues. You've also got a bunch of protections built in. If you inadvertently connect the clamps to the battery backwards, it'll protect you for that. If you connect them together, it'll protect you from that. One other advanced feature that Lokithor has built into the J1350 Pro is the ability for the clamps to sense the connection quality of the battery. Because batteries get dirty over time, the terminals get dirty and grungy, and when you connect those clamps, you may not have a really good connection. So this unit has a circuit inside to read the impedance, which is the quality of the connection for the clamps to the battery, and it can make adjustments as needed to boost the voltage and current to overcome a high impedance. Now, you'll always want to put the clamps on the battery terminals and rotate them back and forth a few times to make sure the teeth are gripping, but even still, you may have a really dirty battery terminal, so it's nice to know they've built a lot of advanced technology inside of the J1350 Pro to accommodate for those situations. And that's pretty much it for the unit. I hope that closer look was helpful, and now I'll try to answer the question that most people probably have. Why would you consider a product like this for your vehicle? And there are a few answers to that question, but let's start with your car battery. Car batteries were never designed to last for the life of your car, Because you're constantly charging and discharging those batteries over time, they're going to wear out. And sooner or later, the power that that battery can provide will drop just below the level needed to start your car, and it'll normally happen at the worst possible time. Maybe it's a cold winter morning and you're late for work, or you've been shopping at the mall for a few hours and forgot to turn off your headlights, and you come back to your car and it just won't start. And that's a panic moment because even if you have jumper cables in your trunk that you've connected up to your battery, you still have to flag down another car to give you the jump, or you've got to call a tow truck. This eliminates all those hassles because this acts like a second car battery that you connect to your car battery in parallel with these clamps, and you can start your car. So it eliminates the need to carry jumper cables or flag down a stranger or call that tow truck. But it does so much more than that. So the peace of mind in knowing that I've got an ability to jumpstart my car no matter what happens out there in the field really is a nice thing. But in addition to that, because it's an incredibly powerful and safe battery, you can use this as a battery bank if you're camping or if you're out in your car and you don't have a car charger with you. You can charge your phone, your tablet, other portable devices directly from the unit. In addition to that, it's a flashlight. So if you've got a flat tire and you've got to change that tire, you can set this down on the ground. It provides plenty of light to see exactly what you're doing. And the best part about it is it's brand new technology. The battery chemistry in here is based on lithium iron phosphate, which means it's an incredibly safe battery. It'll hold on to a charge for up to 24 months. You can charge it quickly, under an hour, using a standard PD 30-watt charger. So once you charge it, you put it back in the bag with all the accessories, put it in your trunk, and you know for the next 2 years, you can jumpstart your car, you can charge external devices, you've got a handy flashlight with you, all in a single device. Now what Lokithor's done with the J1350, because they have a wide range of different jump starters, is they built one that fits the vast majority of cars at a really decent price. And that's really important because normally when you compare this to other models on the market, you'll find a lot of them that brag about features that may seem important that aren't really important. And really what it boils down to is the battery chemistry, the power, the price, and the other features that are built in. And I think Lokithor has done a great job of building all of that into a unit that's affordable for most people, and it covers the vast majority of cars that are on the road today. And that's all I really had for this review. I like it an awful lot, and I've tested a lot of these jump starter kits. This one to me makes sense for most drivers out there. And again, it provides the peace of mind that if it's in your trunk, heaven forbid you can't get your car started, you're going to be so excited to open up your trunk, connect this to your batteries, and start your car. You're going to be bragging about it for weeks. And that's all I really had. So thanks an awful lot for watching. And as always, until next time, stay nerdy.